When I seen the videos in from YouTube, I found get the right solutions from the hair transplantation from Hairfree and Hairgrow. I've been facing from hair loss since last 3-4 years since from lockdown. After that I stopped using it minoxidil, again my hair was fallen. Result was like a temporary. Then I just looking for some permanent solution for it. Then I choose the hair transplant. Most of people from my state also have done a hair transplant in here in Hairfree and Hairgrow. Hi, my name is Maniratnam. I am from Andhra Pradesh. My age is 30. When I seen the videos in from YouTube, I found get the right solutions from the hair transplantation from Hairfree and Hairgrow. I've been facing from hair loss since last 3-4 years since from lockdown. Initially my hair was start falling from nearly 30-40. Then I consulted a doctor from in Hyderabad. While I'm doing job, the doctor suggested me some minoxidil, some finasteride type tablets for me. Then I stopped using it after a hair grown. Then it's fallen like a hell. Now my hair condition be like this. After doing intensive research on hair transplantation throughout the India through internet, then I find Hairfree and Hairgrow. Then I consulted them. They provided me the right things about it. They cleared my doubts by Dr. Kiran sir. In Hyderabad, the doctor suggested me minoxidil and finasteride. But after that I stopped using it minoxidil, again my hair was fallen. Result was like a temporary. Then I just looking for some permanent solution for it. Then I choose the hair transplant. Most of people from my state also have done a hair transplant in here in Hairfree and Hairgrow. I've seen the results even from grade 4 or grade 5. The results came good. So I choose here. The problem in the sense when I lost the fear of do hair transplant. Doctor just cleared me about his equipments, what is the latest technology thing of it. Somewhat feel me to feel better to do hair transplant. Finally, I completed my surgery. It's been 2 days. Everything was pleasant. Everything went done smoothly. No more hectic, no more hurry up. Even done hair transplant, I'm not getting any pain though. Marking everything was done smoothly as of it. Technicians also done very well. Food was good and tasty though. If you have any hair fall, if you're suffering from it, you can visit Hairfree and Hairgrow.